What's going on, YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle coming at you with another video. And like the title says, I got the Shayla Times Color Pop, her second collection. So if you want to break into this box with me and see how I created this look today, stay tuned. This is really pretty. Nice and soft. And take a little bit of concealer. And I'm just going to put it on the brush. I don't want it to be like a cut crease. Okay, so I went on and put my lashes and lined my eyes off camera and, you know, powdered my face and stuff. So now I'm going to go through her blushes. She has Construct and Whistle While You Work. Whistle While You Work. I like that song. So Whistle While You Work is a really nice pink. As you can see, it matches my background. So I'm going to use this as a blush. And this one is, what is this one? This is Construct. This is a blush too, but it's a little deeper. So I'm still going to bronze with, I'm going to use the Black Radiance palette, my contour palette, and I'm gonna contour with this, and then, but I'm gonna put Construct on top of it, okay? Because I'm not sure, it has like a plummy color to it. So we're just gonna add some of this. Let's buff that out. Get all that hair out the way, girl. All that long hair. But yes, we're gonna take a little bit of this and just buff out. Okay, and then we're gonna do this forehead. And just get that all going. I love this brush because of how it's angled. It just hits those spots right the way you need it on your forehead. When you're contouring, on your cheeks, everything. So we're just gonna buff all that out. And I got all this little stray hairs in the way. I don't know where they're coming from because I put my hair back, but they just popping out. So there we go. That looks good. But what now I'm gonna do is I'm going to use some Construct. You can use the same brush and just dip that in there and just kind of like, that is cute. Do you see that? She is adding to that contour real nicely. I'm gonna go here and do it. Now this is definitely a cute blush. Very cute. So now we're going to, because I wanted to try all their stuff anyway, so I wanted to put both things on. But you see I put it at the top right here and it just like blended really nicely. I will definitely be using that as a regular blush. But now we're gonna use Bristle While You Twerk. This is really pink. That's why I was gonna save that for the apples, because it's just like really pink. Really pink. Let's see. Look at her. Okay. All right, that is cute. Thank you, Makeupshayla. This is super cute. I am loving this pink blush. All right, so now that we have all that down, let me go on and highlight. There was not a highlighter in the package, but you know, I'm going to use the highlight that's in my Black Radiance palette. So I'm going to use this right here, and I like to use a big highlighter brush because I just like it to pop, okay? And I like people to see me shine and glow. So we are going to look really cute. And just put some on my nose right there and bring her down the bridge. And you gotta be really light with the hand. Okay, and since I'm a highlight whore, I'm gonna be using two as always. So I'm gonna be taking my Milani and strobe light and putting that right on top. So just you don't want too much. And boom, look at that. Like hello. So, and you gotta do the sound effects, people. I love sound effects. Don't ask me why. I'm that chick, okay? But yes, look at that. Ooh, glowing. I'm gonna put that right there. And we're gonna put that on top of the nose because this one is just like so much more poppy. Do y'all see that? So much better. So much more poppy. Like, hello, who are you? So now we're moving on to the lips. We are going to be using, which one is it? Her nude one. I got both of them in the package as you saw in the beginning, but I am going to be using, which one is this called? Slow Down. I'm going to be using Slow Down. It's a really pretty nude with her BBF4 number nude brown pencil. So I'm going to line my lips. I'm more of, I like the new well, I never got a lip pencil from ColourPop yet. And if I haven't used it. I don't remember anything. But the pencil I like is from KKW, from Kim Kardashian's West one. And it's new number 2. So I'm just gonna put this on. It looks good, but I don't know. I just feel like that pencil is just too dark for my skin tone. So I'm just gonna put a little up here to kind of kill it. Kill it a little bit. Yeah, there you go. And then, I'm scratching my nose. Let's see. Just not, that liner is just so dark, you guys, on me. I'm not feeling that for. So I'm just gonna kind of fill over this brown, because I'm gonna draw back in with a different brown. I'm gonna kill it a little bit. Alright, don't get scared, y'all. I'm not done. We're gonna use the other nude pencil. But this one is my color. The other one is just way too dark, but BFF3 is my shade. So we're gonna spray some setting powder on my face. Let's see. I'm gonna take this though and kind of pat my nose down. And we're gonna spray our face with the ColourPop All-Star face setting spray. And guys, amazing. Oh, this smells so good. All right, so my face is done, you guys. We are all done. All done. What do you guys think? How you liking it? How you liking it? This is the look that I came up with using the ColourPop times Makeupshayla times 2 Proceed with Caution makeup collection, and I loved it. My lips look really, really nice. It does remind me of the KKW. That is the new lipstick that is my go-to. I wear the new number 2, and the BFF number 3 is like a straight dupe. And I really liked it, this slow down. It was really, really cute, as you can see on the lips. So yes, and then the eye look, oh my gosh, it's just cute. Thank you, Makeupshayla. You did such a great job. I love Makeupshayla. I watch her all the time, so I was really, really excited when she's doing another collab with ColourPop, because as you guys know, I love ColourPop as well. So yes, and I got her first collab. I had the Perception palette and the lipstick collection, lipsticks that she created as well. So I was happy about that, but this is what the look that I came out with her blush, using her lipstick, her eyeshadow palette, everything in her line. And I used both blushes, and I used both lip liners. I did not like the BFF4, but it just was too dark for me to do a nude because it wasn't my skin tone. It will be something I would wear under a red. Like if you wanted your red to have like an ombre kind of, I would put that like on the corners and line your lips with it, and then put the red over it, and they'll be like boop, 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 popping, instead of doing a black, because sometimes black don't always work out, okay? But yes, that's everything. I'm so happy with this look. Comment down below how you like this look. I think you should definitely get the palette. It is a win-win, and I mean, come on now. These colors are so beautiful. It's a beautiful palette. And yes, I was really, really happy with it. I'm happy with the look I came up with. And it's just, this is something that's simple and everyday, because I'm not really doing too much today. I'm just going to probably go get something to eat, and just, you know, hang out with the kids and so forth. So this was just kind of like a little, you know, a pop of color to match my outfit. So it's very cute, but there's definitely colors in here to be va va voom, which we all know I like to be va va voom, and I love my my glitter shades. So this is a really nice palette, and the blushes were perfect for, you know, my skin tone. I know for women of color, it's kind of hard to find a blush. Sometimes it's too pink, sometimes it comes off chalky, or it's too corally, or it's too, yeah. So that's why I always stuck with my go-to. Like, I buy pinks, blushes, and it just wasn't what I would like, and these two blushes are perfect. I really love this bristle as you work. It's a really nice pretty pink, as you can see. I'm really happy with it. And I'm also happy with Construct, because this is more like of a deeper, if you're not really trying to, you want some blush on, but yeah, very cute. So I'm really happy with the items that I picked up from her collection. She did a great job. Thank you so much. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until next time, stay fly and shine.